Oh my god, guys, I'm such in a happy mood. I can't wait to show you on how to do this blue smoky eye look. Obviously, I'm going to be starting on priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and blending it evenly with a damped beauty blender that's also clean. As you can see, I already done my brows. Also, all of the products will be listed below in the description box. Next, I'm going to be going into my Fenty foundation and I'm going to be blending that all over my face with a beauty blender. And this foundation dries pretty fast, so I kind of had to blend fast. Then I'm going to be going into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again. This time I'm going to be covering up all the dark spots on my face, so my under eyes, and I'm also going to be highlighting my forehead, the top of my nose, and my chin. You got the best of me. This is a Blend God masterpiece. And my body's telling me go. I know that it's a show. A little goes a long way with this concealer, so you really have to blend it well. Blending is key when it comes to makeup, so you really have to have the patience for it. Whew, holy crap, guys, that's blending, man. Next, I'm going to be going into my translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm taking a powder brush and applying this lightly all over my face. I'm not a fan of baking, it causes cakiness, and I have dry skin, so cakiness and dry skin definitely does not go together. Taking this messy ass contour kit by Ulta Beauty and getting a contour brush, I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and my nose. Alright, so next, guys, I'm going to be going into the Jeremy Scott palettes, who he partnered up with MAC to do with, and it's very unique. It has a lot of colors. I'm going to be going into the light blue shade. I'm applying this above my crease on both eyes, and then next I'm going to be going into the darker shade of blue, and I'm using a different blending brush. I'm going to be applying this on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be going into this black shade, and I'm going to be blending this on the outer corner of my eyes, just on the outer corner and a little bit inside of my crease. Next, I'm going into this golden glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying this in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm spraying the brush with some setting spray so I could really pick up the glitter onto the brush. I'm going back into the same concealer, and I'm basically just creating a line to create a sharp eyeshadow, and I'm also applying this under my eyes so it could all blend together. After I apply the translucent powder under my eyes again, I'm going to be going into a black eyeliner and creating a wing. Then I'm going to be applying some false lashes. Not sure where the lashes were from, but anyways. I'm going back into that same dark blue eyeshadow and just taking a flat brush and applying this under my eyes. Now I'm applying the mascara by Benefit called Roller Lash. Now you don't have to do false lashes, but that's what I did, so it's totally up to you. Next, I'm going into my Karity highlight palette, and I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Next, I'm applying a blue lipstick. This could be any blue lipstick you prefer, but try to get a lipstick that matches the eyeshadow color. Then I'm going back into the Karity highlight palette, and I'm using the same color I used to highlight my cheekbones and applying it on my lips. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on my next one.